Chef Repo's garden, folks.
Look at that, what good fertilizer I do for you. You got the right fertilizer, you don't need no miracle growth. You don't need no black magic. All you need is the right fertilizer. And look what you can have from a back porch home-grown garden from Chef
Repo, folks.
Repo. He's got the right fertilizer.
That's what you call good old country homegrown garden.
Good old country garden. And that ain't the had, buddy.
That's just a harvest from just today.
And like, look at them ruby red tomatoes and all. That's just today's harvest. That's so good. That's good old southern homegrown pug chug bulldog.
Nothing like fresh, guys. That's all, folks.